Extreme fishing.
Be a bit quicker than that in a storm. I'd just wrap it together and worry about it later on. So you got a chance. But I thought as soon as it's nice and calm, I'll film it. Just flaking the sail, as they call it. Not the prettiest, but it does the job. Keeps it nice and neat. And what I'll do is when I get back in, I'll wrap my sail with its cover and protect it from the sunlight. Also here, a little bit whiter than yellow. Now I'm just going to watch my makeup. Yeah, this. Oops, shouldn't say that. Yeah, watch me make a mess of this. Danny, I managed to fix it. When we were at Cows, we went out on a little tender to just have a go with this, and we hit a big wave. Danny, like Donkey Kong, sat on front, bounced back, took the seat with him, ended up with hooks stuck in his backside, and that snapped off. So yeah, I've managed to get it back to somewhere near, so let's stretch it out. It's got a bit longest fishing rod in the world, this. Look at that. Still going. Oh. Yeah. Back on. Oh, come on. Yeah, we'll try again. Oh, this is gotta be. This is bad. Hardest thing is this fishing line. Oh, God. God. Oh. Come on. I told you, I spoke too soon. Managed to get me knot through the loop here. Right, go again. Here we go, here we go. Certainly not Robson Green this, is it? Oh, over there. Oh. Oh. Might be here a while. Extreme fishing, eh? Robson Green, if you're watching this, don't take notes. Oh. Don't even know which way I should go. Probably catch me anchor or something in a second. Still fishing. Remember days, I don't know if the days when me and you used to have a go at fishing. Or should I say, I used to have a go at fishing. I think you did the fishing. I think the most I caught was a cold, but I always remember the day when we caught that fish and two of us couldn't get the hook out of the thing. Things you remember. Here I am again having another go. Yeah, I don't think I'll catch anything with these lures. I think they're more for deep sea really what I've got and I've had a go. I'll have a proper go next year. I've got to use my front sail now to instead of end. You noticed I took that off. If it was rougher, I'd wear that. Alright, just a little bit. fancy it. So then doing whichever you want. So Davey, how do you feel that could be the last weekend away of the sailing season? I know, he's feeling a bit down, he's not happy. Summer's coming to an end. There's always next year, Davey, and we've got plenty of work in the winter. Keep us going. Come on, sit back, it's not that bad. We'll get us home, get some tea.